Low-carb options might not be the first dishes that come to mind at a place that offers something like the infamous never-ending pasta pass. Olive Garden is throwing pasta at the wall to see if a new idea sticks. Zoodles Primavera, a pasta-free spin on the classic Italian dish. In place of pasta will be zucchini noodles, or zoodles, and a bunch of veggies like broccoli, carrots, tomatoes, and mushrooms, all for 570 calories. Fox Business says Olive Garden used zoodles in dishes before, but it was mixed in with real pasta. The new Zoodles Primavera is part of the chain's Tastes of the Mediterranean menu and features lighter fare options under 600 calories. No one wants to know the calorie count when they're devouring the never-ending pasta pass. But for folks who are carb-conscious or on a keto diet, you no longer have to view pasta as the enemy. Just trick yourself into thinking the green noodles are the real thing.